Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss lists in HTML. In HTML you can create three types of lists: ordered list, unordered list and descriptive list. Unordered lists is used to write the list of items which is not necessary to be a sequence of items. Let's suppose you are going to buy some groceries items. So it is not required to write the item's name in a order. In order list we will have bullet points. In unordered list we have bullet points. In an order list we have 1, 2, 3, 4 or A, B, C, D or Roman 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. In descriptive list we can write the term and the description. So let us see how we can create the list. First we will see how we can create the unordered list. First we need to start and end the UL tag. UL means unordered list. So let me start.
Speak type characters on, comma, less, UL, O, greater.
Now I'm just giving 2 time enters. I just pressed, then less slash UL greater.
Less slash UL, O, greater, blank, less, O, greater, blank.
So now I just need to create the list item. To create a list item we use li element. So less li greater, then the item name, then less slash li greater. So let's suppose I want to list fruits name as unordered list. So let me list out 3-4 fruits name.
Less li greater, o mango, less li greater, less li greater.
Okay, mango, then
apple, less li greater, less li greater, banana, li greater, less li greater.
Okay, mango, apple, banana, then jackfruit.
Fruit, jacks, li greater, less li greater.
Then let's suppose grapes.
grapes, grapes, less li greater.
Then it's
less
enough.
carriage return.
After this I just add one horizontal rule.
Less hr greater, less h blank.
So next we'll create one order list. To create order list, same, instead of ul use ol.
Less ol all greater, less slash ol all greater, blank, less all greater, blank, less slash all greater, blank.
So in between we need to create the list. Again we need to use list item, which means li.
Less li greater.
Now here I'll list some flowers name.
rose, rose, li great, less li less, let greater. jane, jazz, li great, less li greater.
Rose, jasmine,
lotus,
lotus,
lotus, li greater, less li. Li greater, lily, less slash li greater.
So that's
less
it.
Slash carriage return. Less blank.
So after that I just give again one horizontal rule.
Less hr greater.
Now let's discuss about descriptive list. Remember, this descriptive list are not useful right now. So generally we use order list and unordered list. To create the descriptive list, use dl.
Less dl greater. Less slash dl greater, blank, less dl greater, blank.
Start dl tag less dl greater, end dl tag less slash dl greater. Within this, first you need to write the term using dt less dt greater and then description. So less dd greater.
Less dt greater.
So let's suppose I am typing the term CPU.
CPU less slash dt greater.
Then
less dd greater, ceteral send proc unit slash il slash less slash dd greater.
So another term I use
less dt greater.
Let's suppose I type url
url less slash dt less dd greater uorm unif locator locators space less slash dt greater.
Just I have used only 2, so if you want you can use more. So this is how we can easily prepare the list. Let's see the output. So this is the page which we created.
Heading level 1 HTML list.
So first we have unordered list. See,
List with 5 items. Bullet mango.
mango,
Bullet apple.
apple,
Bullet banana. Bullet jackfruit. Bullet grapes. Out of list separator space. List with 4 items. No indent. 1 row 2 jasmine. 3 lotus. 4 lily. Out of list separator space. List with 4 items. No indent. CPU. Central processing unit. URL. Uniform resource locator.
So in descriptive list, you are not able to understand which is the DT and which is the DD. So that's why it is not so much useful. Now we have seen that 1, 2, 3, 4 is automatically added in our ordered list. If we want to add A, B, C, D, how we can add? Let's see.
Template.ht.
For that I
System
come back to
subtext.
this code again and let's find the UL related code.
Pop-up window. Find Tech less leak less all less HR less all greater less OL greater space greater.
So instead of this greater, at the opening of this OL element, order list element, we use one attribute called type attribute. So let's type equals to
Type equal quote.
within quotation what type you want. Suppose I want A, B, C, D. So I am giving A. Then quotation close.
A quote.
Now I'm just saving it and let's run it again.
HTML list with 4 uniform resource UR out of list bullet out of list with 4 items. No indent. A rose. B jasmine. C lotus. D lily. Out of list separate.
So now you understood that if you want, you can change it. Now instead of this bullet, if you want to use square or circle, just use less UL, type equals to circle or type equals to square. So the square bullet or the circle bullet will be added. This is how we can easily use list in HTML. If you find this video useful, like the video, share the video and subscribe to V.I Tech Academy. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.